Next, we move on to some non-traditional and upcoming targets for major depressive disorder. First one is orexin antagonist, and then the second one is kappa opioid receptors. And the third area that is of interest is inflammation and neurodegeneration. So orexin antagonist, where we have dysregulated orexin signaling that may contribute to persistent sleep-wake drive, impaired sleep consolidation, and heightened stress reactivity. And this is seen in major depressive disorder. We also find that receptors, kappa opioid activation is also linked to negative affect, stress sensitivity, and suppression of reward system. And this can lead on to dysphoria, especially stress-induced anhedonia. Now, the third aspect that we are studying in depression is inflammation and neurodegeneration. This is a subset of major depressive disorder, and here we are looking into immunology and metabolic acids. So, stress, obesity, and early life adversity and trauma can also lead on to inflammation in major depressive disorder. So a selective orexin 2 antagonist, that's a seltorexant, SELTOREXAND, actually can be helpful. Sleep issues and major depressive disorder are often together, and residual insomnia symptoms are linked to worse outcome in treatment of major depressive disorder. So seltorexant can normalize sleep and wake circuits, and that can improve depressive symptoms. And this is also studied as adjunctive treatment to SSRI, SNRI in adults and elderly. So when we see patients with tiredness, impaired concentration, insomnia, reduced positive mood, and fatigue is one of the symptoms that has worse outcome in major depressive disorder. So adjunctive seltorexant has shown to be antidepressant effect that is comparable to quetiapine or XR. So there was a study where the response on MADRS scale was comparable to quetiapine. Quetiapine has been shown to be effective as augmenting agent, and seltorexant was found to be equally effective in that particular study. So these are some new areas